Thank you for watching the Digitech Systems How-To video series. Today we'll be taking a look at the ImageSilo Integrated Secure Transfer Service. The ImageSilo Integrated Secure Transfer Service is a free, fully integrated feature which is accessible at transfer.imagesilo.com and is a secure FTP transfer service that fully encrypts data during transmission and at rest, allowing you to transfer bulk data into and out of ImageSilo. To use the Integrated Secure Transfer Service, administrators simply configure a user's FTP access rights setting to FTP user or FTP admin. FTP user grants the ability to read or write to a user-specific folder on the FTP site. FTP admin grants the ability to read or write to any folder on the FTP site. First, use a supported web browser and log in to login.imagesilo.com. Just make sure you have your entity ID number entered in the entity ID field. Enter your username, enter your password, press enter or click login. After you are logged in, go to your username with the entity ID up here in the top right hand corner of your browser. Click on that, go to administration and click on administration. In the administration screen, we'll want to go to general security and expand that. Go to system users. What we'll want to do is select a user that already exists, since most of you will be assigning users FTP access. I'm going to go ahead and assign myself as an FTP admin. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit save. It is very important to note that the password for this user is also the password for the FTP site when you log into the FTP site at transfer.imagesilo.com. Notice in the FTP username column, I now have my name, underscore, and my entity ID. This will do the same thing for yours as well, for any FTP user that you create or you add FTP access to. Additionally, you can add FTP access as an admin user or a regular user by clicking Add User and then Add User underneath that. This will create a brand new user that you can add FTP access to. If you want them just to have limited FTP access without being an administrator or any of the other stuff that comes along with being a regular user, you just click Limited FTP User and it blanks those out and does not give them all the choices that it would for a regular user. In order to demonstrate connecting to the ImageSilo FTP, I went ahead and brought up FileZilla, and what I'm going to do is go ahead and type in transfer.imagesilo.com. Then I'm going to put in that username that you saw me create a while ago with the FTP user, and then put in my password and then hit quick connect. As you see by looking at the status, the directory listing here shows that I am connected to FTP now, and I can start using FTP to transfer files to ImageSilo. We've provided the integrated FTP service settings for ImageSilo in this slide, including host information, user password setup, connection type, transfer mode, transfer type, and also if you are using Papervision Data Transfer Manager, you should be using version R87, which has added support for TLS 1.1 and 1.2. Additionally, for bulk ingestion of data, when a data group or package file is uploaded with a submit file, the data will automatically be imported into that entity. You no longer need to contact ImageSilo administration to map data groups to entities. They are automatically mapped by being uploaded to the entity's FTP site. Likewise, Directory Manager job files are also ingested via the new FTP site. Once data is successfully imported, it is removed from the FTP site as normal. Thank you for watching the Digitech Systems How-To video series. Stay tuned for more how-to videos.